Hi, my name is Gigi Peterson, and I'm a realtor with the BVO Luxury Group at Keller Williams. I specialize in the Desert Ridge area, and today I'd like to highlight this beautiful home in the Sanctuary at Desert Ridge Venture Collection. You will love the open floor plan with gorgeous, entertaining kitchen. Lots of windows for plenty of natural light. Soaring double patio sliders open to the Arizona room, where you'll find a built-in gas barbecue with island, offering a great space for entertaining. Spacious master bedroom with his and her sinks and closets, frameless shower, and oversized tub. You'll also find the guest bedroom with ensuite. Beautiful Sanctuary Clubhouse offers full kitchen and a great space for gatherings. Gazebo room with comfy chairs that overlook the sparkling heated pool. There's also a full fitness center with everything needed for a great workout. For more information, contact me, Gigi Peterson, at 480-650-6505 or visit bvoluxurygroup.com.